Welcome back to Growth Talks, the podcast dedicated to your personal and professional development. I'm your host, and today we're diving into a topic that is essential for maximizing your potential: how to make your day productive. We all have the same 24 hours in a day, but how we use that time can make all the difference. Productivity is not just about getting more things done, it's about being intentional, focused, and making progress towards our goals. Today, we'll explore strategies and insights to help you make the most of your day and accomplish what truly matters. Let's start by emphasizing the importance of planning and prioritization. A productive day begins with a clear roadmap. Take a few moments each morning to review your goals, identify your top priorities, and create a plan for the day. By setting intentions and organizing your tasks, you'll have a better sense of direction and purpose. Eliminating distractions is key to maintaining focus and productivity. In today's digital age, it's easy to get sidetracked by notifications, social media, and other interruptions. Consider implementing strategies like turning off notifications, designating specific time blocks for focused work, and creating a distraction-free workspace. Minimizing interruptions allows you to dive deep into your tasks and accomplish more. Time management is a fundamental skill for productivity. It involves allocating your time effectively and balancing your energy levels throughout the day. Prioritize your most important tasks during your peak energy periods, and schedule less demanding activities for times when your energy naturally dips. By aligning your tasks with your energy levels, you can optimize your productivity and avoid burnout. Another crucial aspect of a productive day is taking regular breaks. Our brains need time to recharge and rejuvenate. Incorporate short breaks into your schedule, allowing yourself to step away from your work, stretch, and clear your mind. These breaks not only enhance your productivity, but also improve your overall well-being. Focus and productivity are closely linked to our physical and mental well-being. Taking care of your health through regular exercise, proper nutrition, and sufficient sleep is vital. Physical activity boosts energy levels and mental clarity, while a balanced diet and quality sleep enhance cognitive functioning. By prioritizing self-care, you set yourself up for a productive and fulfilling day. One effective strategy for boosting productivity is leveraging the power of routines and habits. Establishing a morning routine that includes activities like exercise, meditation, or journaling can set a positive tone for the rest of the day. Additionally, developing productive habits, such as prioritizing tasks or practicing time blocking, helps streamline your workflow and make your day more efficient. Accountability can be a powerful motivator for productivity. Consider finding an accountability partner or joining a supportive community where you can share your goals and progress. Having someone to check in with and provide encouragement can help you stay on track and maintain your productivity momentum. Finally, it's important to celebrate your accomplishments, no matter how small. Recognize and acknowledge the progress you've made throughout the day. Celebrating your wins boosts motivation, instills a sense of achievement, and reinforces positive habits. Well, that wraps up today's episode on how to make your day productive. We hope these strategies and insights will empower you to optimize your time, increase your focus, and achieve your goals with purpose and efficiency. If you found value in this episode, be sure to subscribe to Growth Talks and join our community of growth enthusiasts. Stay tuned for our next episode, where we'll explore more valuable insights and strategies for personal and professional development. Thank you for tuning in, and remember, every day is an opportunity to make progress. Make it count and keep growing.